A group of scientists from Mote Marine Lab in Sarasota have just returned from a shark expedition in the Atlantic. The work they did can not only help protect those animals, but it can also help protect humans from diseases. News Channel 8's John Rogers joins us now live from Sarasota to explain. John, this is so fascinating to me. What kind of medicines can we get from sharks?
Yeah, it is fascinating, Jen. I had never known about this, but sharks could actually help us develop better antibiotics to fight off illnesses. Now, scientists are learning a great deal from these amazing creatures. For 3 weeks off the coast of Florida and Georgia, scientists from Mote Marine Lab were on board the O-Search, capturing sharks. These kings of the deep are full of mysteries waiting to be unlocked.
There's always a lot we don't know, because every time we learn something, then it triggers 5 more questions.
The Mote scientists joined others from around the country, snagging the sharks from the water. And once the animal was on board, the clock was started.
It is sort of like a pit crew.
They only had 15 minutes with each shark to run a battery of tests and safely tag the creature before sending it back out. And there's a whole lot that we can gain from learning about them.
The sharks are naturally resistant to bacterial infection, and they heal very rapidly.
So Dr. Kim Ritchie took skin samples and isolated strains of bacteria.
The oceans are these vast medicine cabinets that haven't been investigated.
Doctors are seeing more and more cases of bacteria that are resistant to antibiotics. So these shark scientists hope their work can lead to new, more powerful antibiotics. Also, sharks rarely get cancer, so hopefully their samples can shed light on that too.
Up and over, there she goes. Good luck, old girl.
But these scientists were not only trying to help humans, this work was meant to help sharks too. These tags can last 5 years and will help these researchers track their movements.
That will help us understand how to manage fisheries and protect these species.
A species that could open up a whole new frontier in the medical field. There are a myriad of species off the coast of Florida, but the species that these scientists were able to research and tag were tiger sharks, sand tiger sharks, and black-nosed sharks, guys.
It really is cool. Do they know when their next expedition is?
They're planning to go tag some sharks off the coast of New England later this summer, and the very interesting expedition is actually next year. They're going hopefully off the coast of Cuba, and about 50 some odd years ago, the world's largest great white was caught off the waters of Cuba, so should be pretty interesting, that trip there.
Yeah, I think you should volunteer for a road trip if you want to go
so.
one of those,
Hope my
right?
boss is watching.
John Rogers live in Sarasota. Thank you, John. You can track great white sharks yourself using O-Search's website. We've put a link on WFLA.com.
You imagine